Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, to fulfill my English assessment, I want to make something that is very common for people to make. Maybe it's usually a bit complicated, but my tutorial this time is very easy for anyone to do anywhere. So the ingredients we have to prepare are with fox glue, gum medicine, and liquid soap. Because my fox glue was sent directly from the United States and it's still in a very safe package, so we have to unboxing it first. Let's go!
Because it's the month of Ramadan, so I bought the medicine directly from Saudi Arabia. And lastly, we will take the bottle liquid soap with the Pure brand, but it contains Sinsui soap. Okay, first we prepare a place to mix all these very elite ingredients. For the place itself, I bought it in South Korea. By the way, this is the place that Lee Jong-suk used to eat his lunch while filming Drakor while you were sleeping. The price of this place itself is 5 million. Then we put the fox glue from the United States into the place where Lee Jong-suk used to be. Then we add domestic product liquid soap and we stir it until everything is evenly distributed. When it is evenly distributed, we finally add the gum medicine and we stir it again until it is evenly distributed. Lastly, let's color it according to taste. If I myself choose blue from the highlighter, let's color it!
And our Sultan slime is ready. Okay, because the ingredients are imported from the different countries and require a lot of capital, so we are selling this slime at a very fantastic price, which is 2 million for a slime Sultan of this size. Those who want to buy can just click the yellow basket. Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.